Hello, I'm Janae Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With the news, the Federal Reserve Chair has indicated the US can expect an interest rate rise in coming months. Speaking at Harvard on Saturday, Janet Yellen said ongoing improvement in the US economy would warrant another hike. However, she stopped short of hinting whether the central bank would act in June. She expects inflation to hit the 2% target over the next couple of years, provided fuel prices and the strong dollar stabilise and the labour market continues to improve. Yellen's comments come as US GDP for the first quarter came in at 0.8%. While this estimate was revised up from the first estimate, it's come in lower than market expectations. The increase reflects positive contributions from personal consumption expenditure, residential investment and government spending. Real GDP rose 1.4% in the fourth quarter of last year. Yellen will be keeping a close eye on CPI data, non-farm payrolls report and the Beige Book report out this week. Over to China, there are more signs of slowing growth. New data shows profit growth in the country's major industrial firms slowed sharply in April, adding to concerns about downward pressure on the economy. Profits from large industrial companies were up 4% in April, year on year, compared with 11% in March. An official from the National Bureau of Statistics attributes the slowdown to poor performance in the electronics, electricity and auto industries. Meanwhile, oil refiners, nuclear fuel producers and high-tech industries are showing strong growth. The Australian newspaper is reporting Fonterra's chief executive, Teo Spearings, might be on his way out, and Air New Zealand chief executive Christopher Luxon could take his place. It says speculations of Spearings' departure is mounting, but doesn't say where talk of a move is coming from. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield has inched up over the weekend to 1.85%. The price of US crude and Brent are still hovering above $49 a barrel. The price of gold has fallen to $1,214 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar has weakened to 66.9 US cents, further to Yellen's speech over the weekend. It's eased back slightly from the end of last week to 93.3 Australian cents and 60.2 euro cents. The TWI index has fallen to 71.2. I'm Janae Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.